Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2018 Ford Explorer Sport. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 3.5-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails as well. We got some nice black accents along this vehicle with blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors with remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months. And moving to the front here, we do get front park sensing as well, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button there, a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You can get your storage underneath with your spare tire. You can get a 12-volt here, plenty of cargo cubbies, cup holders, all that jazz. Can collapse your last row by hitting that, and you can stow, fold. We can do right or left or both, so we're just going to stow them away, and they will go down automatically for you, which is actually pretty handy, providing you with more storage as well, which is pretty nice. And I can put them back to normal. Pretty handy. And to close your liftgate, all you have to do is hit that button right there and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does save to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, red accents. To get to the back, you just lift this up or hit this button right here. Allows you to have easier access to your back two passengers. We do get plenty of door space in the back with leathering on the door, floor mats, carpet interior, heated middles, captain's chairs, with your climate controls. You also do get 2 USBs, 110-volt cup holders. More cup holders here with a center console, which is pretty handy if I may say. And we got inflatable seat belts for the middle row. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, power folding mirrors with memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, a telescopic powered steering wheel column, your liftgate, tow and haul mode, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 181,467 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your right-hand screen. You got paddle shifters, playback by forward phone, voice, mute, volume, cruise control, and toggle for your left-hand screen where you can go for display, trip and fuel, driving assist, and settings. Here we can go for navigation, phone, and entertainment. Here we got our gear select, drive modes, and hill assist. Storage below, cup holders, all that jazz. More storage here with some outlets and another 12-volt. Climate controls with heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, Sony sound system. Got your lovely front view camera and backup camera as well, which is pretty nice. Park sensing, you can turn on or off. All that jazz. Storage below. Above me, we do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Garage door transmitter. Got navigation, audio phone, and heated steering wheel. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD, SiriusXM. Got your climate controls right here. Phone. Any apps you may download will also show up right here as well. Settings such as Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, ambient lighting. So you can change the color in the vehicle to those fun colors. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8268, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.